To secure all your equipment in your car, you will need to tie it down. This is to prevent your equipment from flying in the car while off-roading on uneven terrain. A flying equipment could be very dangerous to yourself and your passengers if they hit you in the head. To do this, we use ratchet tie-downs and safety nets to secure the equipment in the back of our car. A crucial piece of equipment to have is a fire extinguisher. Make sure that your fire extinguisher is easily accessible, and also you need to check that the pressure is in the green zone. A fire extinguisher can be life-saving in the desert. It can either help you or you can help other people. So effective communication is crucial for the safety in the desert. To do this, you need a programmable walkie-talkie. This device will help you to receive and transmit instructions for safety in the desert. So we have a zero tolerance policy for littering in the desert. We can leave organic materials such as banana peels or apple cores, which is food for the animals. However, anything else that you bring in with you should be taken out of the desert in garbage bags. Whenever we're off-roading, we need to have a headlamp. This will ensure that you have hands-free whenever you're doing any task. Let's say you're inflating at sunrise or sunset where it gets very dark. You will need to use your hands. The headlamp will help you to be able to focus without interruption. In the desert, we don't always have access to services. In the event of any unforeseen situation, make sure to always carry a first aid kit with you. Also make sure that you know what are its contents and make sure that you know how to use it properly.
So in case of getting stuck, you will need to have a recovery rope to get yourself recovered. And for this, our recommended piece of equipment is a KINETIC rope that is stretchable with 30% elasticity. This will make sure that the recovery using the rope is safe and it does not put unnecessary pressure on your recovery points and on your car. To attach the rope to your car, you will need a soft shackle, and our requirement for this is for this soft shackle to be rated.
In the event that either yourself or one of the members of your convoy experiences a pop-out in the desert, you will need to raise the car off the ground in a safe, secure manner, for which we recommend the use of a trolley hydraulic jack. The reason why we prefer to use a trolley jack rather than the typical bottle jack that your car comes equipped with is because the trolley jack has a much larger footprint and is able to distribute the load of your vehicle over a larger area and secure it there. Together with this, you'd need a jacking plate, which could be a large wooden board that will help distribute the weight of your car evenly across the sand. In most cases, even after you've finished jacking the car off the ground, you'll find that you may need to remove sand from below the tires. For this, we recommend a broad mouth shovel. Aluminium is preferable because it's light and easy to use. More instructions on how to use the shovel in the most effective manner will be given during our recovery training. Furthermore, you'll require a bottle of water. This is not drinking water. This water is required for the fixing of a pop-out. It helps to ease the tire movement back into position during the inflation process. So make sure to always carry a bottle of water that you don't intend to drink. One of the most important safety devices you'll probably encounter while entering the desert is a flag. As simple as it may seem, it increases your visibility to all that are around you and imposes your presence. So always have a flag on hand before you enter the desert. Make a habit of ensuring that it's the first thing that goes up on your car before you start to deflate your tires or do anything else around your car, so that you're visible from a distance and you're kept safe. Also, make a habit of ensuring that the last thing you do before taking your flag off at the end of a drive is to walk around your car, check that all of the suspension components are in good condition before driving off home. So always keep one of this in handy. Before you start to drive on soft desert sand, it's very, very important that you deflate your tires to increase the tire footprint, which allows better flotation on soft sand. Now to do this, you can either use a simple valve core remover like this one here. It gets the job done, but it's not recommended for many reasons. One of the most obvious ones being the fact that you're likely to lose the valve core after you remove it from the tire. So what we'd actually recommend is an easy deflator. This allows you to safely remove the valve core and at the same time read the pressure in your tire. So our recommendation would be a quick, easy deflator. At the end of a drive, it's very important to re-inflate your tires and get back to driving pressure. To do this, we recommend the use of a compressor. It could be one of these compressors that you hook up to your battery or something that's installed on your car permanently. You'll also need a compressor to re-inflate your tires after a pop-out. And for that, we recommend that the minimum capacity of the compressor should be 160 liters per minute.